Hi, I'm Kate, the founder of LAMA, and I'm here to show you how I use the app on a day-to-day basis. If you're anything like me, you have an ever-growing pile of seemingly important papers either on your desk or on the kitchen counter somewhere in the house. I'm going to show you how I use LAMA to keep that pile in check. Let's dive in. Here I have a pediatrician bill for my daughter that I got in the mail last week. I used Apple Notes to scan it into my phone, but an image would work just as well. I'll tap the share button and then choose Gmail so that I can send it directly to my LAMA account. You can find your personal LAMA email address on the accounts page of the app. Now, whenever I have a few extra minutes, I can open my LAMA app and refresh my tasks page. And I see that I have a new task saying that I have a new bill. The AI has auto-named it, found the date of service, put it in the medical folder, found the amount of the bill and the due date. I can mark it paid now, or I can choose to go directly to the site and go ahead and pay it. And I've opted in to get a reminder when this bill is due. It also tagged it with my daughter, who is a person on the account. In addition, it suggested some other tags that I don't yet have in my account that might be helpful just given the contents of this document. I tap done and it's filed away. Here you can see Greenwood Pediatrics LC. Medical bills aren't the only thing that I use LAMA for. If I tap my Kate tag, you can see I have vehicle registration renewal that I'll get a reminder for. I have identification in here like my global entry card and my passport. I have several different tags for organizing things. I like to have a tag per calendar year, but my personal favorite is our Christmas card tag. I save our Christmas cards each year, and I went ahead and digitized them so that I have them in my LAMA account. So think of LAMA as a digital filing cabinet, all of your most important documents at your fingertips wherever you are. It's really like having your own personal life assistant. Download LAMA today and let's tackle adulting together.